Hey everyone, so I've got my Intex bubble spa here. I just got it in, and what I want to do is I'm going to take everything out of the box and show you what's in there and show you how to put together. It does come with a 1 year warranty. We do have an energy guide here. This is showing the standby power. It's 271 watts. And then over here on the left-hand side, just a couple of features. It does have 140 jets, and it also has a hard water system treatment, so that way you don't have to worry about calcium buildup. And we've got some FiberTech construction, just gives it a lot of extra strength. And then it's very puncture resistant too. So it's very thick here. So let's go ahead and we'll take everything out and get started. So I have everything out of the box right now. Let me go ahead and go over some of the things that are in here. Right here, we do have a cover for the top of it. Right down here, we have a ground cover. Of course, right here, as you can see from the picture, we have the hot tub itself. And then over here, we've got the motor. We've got some filters and several other things that we're going to see here in just a minute. So let's go ahead and I'm going to start putting it together. So right now I have the ground cloth down. One side does have the bubbles and that's going to face down. And then I have the motor sitting over here because my outlet, electrical outlet is real close. So right here, this is the valves where the water is going to come through. But this is also an area where I would use this to go ahead and air up my hot tub itself through right here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and get my hot tub, put it over here, and start airing it up. So I just got through airing it up, and what you do is you take this hose that's provided, you're going to connect it right here, and then right here in the hot tub, that's where you're going to go ahead and air it up at, and you'll just turn it on and hit the bubble sign right here, and it only takes about 5 minutes. The next step is to go ahead and inflate our hot tub cover here. The valve's right here. All I did was put it in there and hold it in there. It doesn't lock, and it only takes about 2 minutes. What I've done is I've installed all three valves on the spa itself to the pump motor. So these are the filter cartridges. It does come with two of them. So when you take off the lid, this is your filter itself. Now what I've done is I've already installed one here. So what I'm going to do is install the other one over there. And all this does is it just screws right on here. We do have some threads right here, and it's just going to screw into the side over there. So now that I have the water in it, it did take me about 45 minutes to go ahead and fill that up, which is about as long as it took me to go ahead and put everything together. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and turn it on. Let me go ahead and show you the controls. Really simple to do. There's not that many buttons. We have our on and off switch here. These buttons right here allow me to change the temperature. Over here, we can change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Right here is going to actually turn on the pump itself. That way the water is continually circulating. Right here is our temperature. When you first turn it on, the, the temperature is preset at 68, but it does go up to 104. What I'm going to do is you can turn the heater on. The light's going to turn green. I'll turn it off. And then we turn on our bubbles. And you can see that the 160 jets are really making a lot of bubbles. This is going to feel fantastic. It does hold 6 people comfortably, but it's real easy to put together. What I'm going to do now is go ahead and turn it off and go ahead and put the covers on. So I've just installed the spa inflatable bladder, and now I'm going to go ahead and put the cover on. So now I have the cover done and I'm all finished. Hope you found this review helpful.